Hi there, we are back again. Yes, for the Three Stars Sudoku, the third Sudoku, in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 29th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be a number 1644. Yes, 1644. And let me count how many printed digits there are. I think 25 as usual, but let me check if this is correct. 3 is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is 10. Here we have 4, 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 4 is equal to 25. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me position the camera. Okay. So let's get started. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only three places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box left for the 9, should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. So, in this row, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We see here 2 and a 7 in this big square. So no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 7 and a 2. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 4 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. We see here 4 and a 6 here. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 digit left should be the number 5. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here, and I know 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here, and I know 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8, need to wait. How about these two numbers in this big square, the 1 and the 3? I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. Here appear, there appear. Let me think. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this big square. Should be here, the 4. 5 is missing. Here 5 or there 5 because we have a 5 there. 4, 5 and the 6 is missing. Could be everywhere. Yes, need to wait. Alright, so 2 numbers left. In, well, 3 actually, because we have the 1, 3, and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left in this column. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. Let me see. 1 and 3. How about these 2 numbers in the last column? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 goes in the other box. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 in this column. Last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, yes. Alright. Then 1, 3, 6. Alright. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5, 1, 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 1 and the 3. Now we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. Well, we have here the 4 and the 6, but this should be a 3. Yeah. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me see. 4. Yeah. 1. Yeah, well, we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. Those numbers are the 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and 4. Let me mark them for you. Here also 6 and 4. These 2 numbers in this row, the 4 and the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well, we have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6 is missing. Yes. Alright. So we have here 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 2, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. We see here 2 and the 4 there, so no 2 and the 4 in this box. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number, in this column for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4. Need 1 more. How about the number? These 2 numbers, the 1 and the 6 is missing. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 6. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square, the 3 and the 2. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 numbers, 3 and the 6, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. How about these 3 numbers? 4 is missing. I cannot place a 4 there. Well, we have a 4 here. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. The 2 is missing. 2 could be in these 2 boxes. 2, 4, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So we have the 2 and the 4 there. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. And the last 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Slower than the previous one, but faster than the first one. Yes, with the 1-star Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the fourth Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.